Okay, so we're going to tour Homeplace 1850s Working Farm and Living History Museum here in Land Between the Lakes.
Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Tennessee side.
Yeah.
Well, there's going to be people up here that are actually going to talk to you. He said right now they're telling tales. Because maybe you can tell some lies with them.
Oh yeah. I noticed these are old fences.
Yep.
Those are the designs of the old fences they have. Way back on the 1850s, obviously. The weather is so great today. It's fall season and you can see the leaves already brown and changing colors. Oh, that's a corn. That's a corn field over there. Those are corn. You definitely need to walk around the home place. It's a great place to visit.
The barn, the tool barn.
They've got basically everything.
The vegetable gardening crib and the woodshed, yep.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's an actual working farm. They
look, you can see
they dress
sheep.
Old-timey and they work.
Oh
they
yeah,
work it. Yeah.
That one person who dressed like
Yeah.
really farm.
When did you get the new shirt?
1776, I am.
So this is
this would be the home place.
That would be the home place.
Probably,
Oh yeah,
see,
it looks.
Look, no, hang on. She's in there spinning the wheel. If you look real close, you'll see the wheel spinning.
Yeah.
She's
Hey, and that will be what will be this one.
Go this way.
Okay.
We're gonna go see all of it.
Okay. I'm so excited to look at the building over there.
You'll get to see it.
They'll let me hear when we get back.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will be. But look how it's stacked up. This is original, all of it.
Yeah.
The whole thing when it was built. Now, of course, they've just
They
upkept it.
look like they renovated it. Something.
No, this is original. I'm telling you, it's original.
Okay.
All of it's original. There's nothing renovated in here.
Oh, okay.
The only thing they might have replaced is some decking boards.
Uh-huh.
But the house and the way it sits is exactly the same.
Awesome. Oh, she is.
She's spinning yarn.
You're spinning yarn.
You lay it down on the ground, and it's called retting. And so you let it sit there for a while until it changes, rotting on the ground. But really what you're doing is you're loosening the chaff, the outside layer, right? So just like the wheat and the chaff. So inside the chaff layer of the flax, there is a strong fiber in there. And it's a long fiber. And so that's why you pull it out of the ground. It goes all the way down to the root. And so if you were to cut it off at the ground, you'd be cutting off 3 or 4 inches of your fiber. So it's a long fiber. And then you spin it essentially the same as wool, but you wet it as you spin it. It's a dry, but you go through a process with flax. So you ret it and then you scutch it. So you scrape the chaff off of it, and then you have to throw it over these hackles and comb it, and then you can spin it. You know what I mean? Which is hard in and of itself. And then you get to weave it, which will take forever because it's linen. So it's going to be a fine fabric.
Oh, okay.
Feel very virtuous about the Civil War because there were not enslaved people in the North. However, all of us who could not get enough of this stuff, the fabric that made our lives so much easier, everyone was in the cotton.
Baby crew.
It's baby
We
crib.
had one just like that one right there, kind of. We had a small wooden one.
Yeah.
And there was, I don't know if Michelle still got it or not, but we had an old wooden one.
Oh, I love the fireplace. Look at that. This is the kitchen. And they have a bee over there. Oh, this one. I love it. It's an old cook stove and really cool.
Look at that. Alligator bitters. I guarantee an effective cure and preventive of the 3 effects of extreme physical exertion.
Look at the ceiling. It's high. That's how they made it. Old big fireplace.
Just think, this is what it started out with. This is what it looked like. And this is what it looks like when you get down on it. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Just wood from the woods, just off the side of the tree, just laid out.
Yeah, shingles.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. This is what it looks like close up.
What original that is, but they used to chink the logs too. It's to
Chink?
feel basically chinking. It fills that gap, even if it was tongue and groove. So when they stack the logs, they chink it to cover up the holes.
The stairs are a little narrow.
Okay, now we are
They sheared them
Going
not long
to-
ago. They need to be. They'll be sheared again in the spring, I guess.
Yeah.
Hold their coat up over winter.
What is this building?
Dave, I don't know. You'll know when you get to the front door. It's probably the place where they'll take care of the sheep.
Yeah. Oh,
It's a barn.
it's a barn. Okay.
It's a work.
And we have sheep right here outside. Okay, this is an old barn. They've got a lot of stuff here. Over here. Shave horse. This one.
He was a carpenter and he was going to make toys for his children, but he never had them.
Oh, I see one of these again. That one. Now this is the tool barn.
Sit right here and they use a smoke shade. So you put that like that wood there, and if it was square, your pressure would hold it. You take one of those draw shaves and shape it. It's a lot of work.
Look, the pigs are there. Look how they
That looks like it was the
make it. It's really cool. And the pigs are not going away.
But it's chicken. That looks like
Pigs.
they planted tobacco there or something
Yeah.
at one point.
We got one small pig, one big pig, and a lot of chicken. Oh, here we have friendly sheeps. I know they're friendly because they're not running away. What is that?
Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
I do.
What is it? What is it?
It's Thor's hammer. No, it's a. So when they used to churn butter, that's what it reminds me of, because it had the big part and they
Yeah.
put it in a bucket.
It's a hammer.
That's what I said, Thor's hammer.
How we drive wedges to
Is that what it
Oh,
was?
okay.
I
Okay.
got you. I told her, I said it looks like one of the things they used to churn with, but just on a bigger scale, you know. But and so I was right. It's Thor's hammer.
It's Thor's hammer. Okay,
You can tell
awesome.
where it's been whacked on the side.
Oh, let's say hi to the sheep. Sheep. Bah. Some sheep are really friendly, so I don't think it's gonna hurt me. Oh my gosh, the fur is so fluffy. Can you see that? I'm gonna follow him around and just touch his fur. Look. He just peed on me. That's so funny. Let's go see the ducks. Hey, let's go see the ducks. Okay, I'm gonna go see the ducks. But first, let's say hello to the chicken and a pig. There's a pig right here. Hello, piggy piggy. Oh, and chicken. I don't know what breed chicken is this. Oh, there's another pig right there. Chicken. Okay. I'm gonna go see the ducks. I saw ducks there already. Aside from the sheep over here. I'm gonna touch this sheep again because look at the fluff. Look at the fluff. He was just and we're going to say hi to the ducks. Oh, look at the ducks. I love the color of these ducks. Can you see the head? It's greenish. What do we have here?
But that's beautiful work, especially doing it yourself.
Mm-hmm. Actually, they'll cover it down.
Very nice.
Is that a hydrant out back?
Probably.
Okay.
Is it covered?
Yeah.
So I've got some quenching oil in that.
Good.
And for everything else, I've got just plain old water. So
It's got a nice setup.
it works. It works out pretty well. I'd put the hardness of this knife at around 1050 to 1075. It's not real hard, but it's it's better than most.
Yeah. Most of your store malls, especially.
Right. Let's take another piece of this. Take another piece of that horseshoe.
That's so pretty.
This is definitely the most exciting show here on the farm.
Yeah.
Takes a little time to get this metal up to working temperature. But once it's there, actually I'm going to drift a hole. There we go.
Oh, it's another barn where to keep animals. Hey, you got, oh, we got big sheep. Maybe that one is pregnant. I don't know. She just looks so big. She is pregnant, looks like. Okay, how about the other one here? Here in the bottom. Say hi. Hello. You pregnant too? Are you? Okay, so here's another one. Kalesa, pang kalesa ba? It's a wagon. I don't know what this is. Okay, so historics at Homeplace corn crib. Before and after. That's before and then after. Okay, so they kind of like fixed it. Corn crib, they said. After the harvest and while still on the corn cob, corn is placed in the crib, either or without the husk. Okay, so corn storage building. So if you are near Land Between the Lakes in Tennessee or in Kentucky, come visit this place. This is a very awesome place to visit. It's pretty time to visit during the fall because as you can see, the leaves are already on the ground and the weather is perfect. Okay, so they also have a horse. This is the only horse I've seen so far. Are you helping him get rid of the flies?
He says, yeah. He says, pet me and get the dust off. Yeah. Oh, and it's scratching.
They're all over it. I like it.
I like to be scratched.